So today we are going to make a Chinese street food. We call it malatang. It's like spicy and numb soup noodles with different kind of mushrooms, vegetables, potatoes, and sausages and fish balls. So let's get started. First, let's add some oil. A little, because we will put some hot pot sauce, ginger garlic in. Now let's add the hot pot sauce. Hot water in. Then we add some ingredients in. Fish balls, sliced potato, and I add some slice of eggplant, and some deep fried tofu, and the green lettuce in. Mushrooms. I really love mushrooms, so I put a lot. And for this dish, you can put whatever the ingredients you like to. And whatever you have in the fridge, you can put inside. It's optional then. It depends on your taste as well. Only the fish balls is difficult to boil, so we put in the beginning. Whatever is easy to boil, put at the end. Whatever is difficult, you put it in the beginning. And I put some sweet potato noodles. You can also put other noodles or the instant noodles, any kind of noodles you love to. Today's version, I'm going to add some milk inside. This is a new way of eating hot and numb and spicy Chinese stew. To give a nutritious to the soup and a color to the soup. Last, let me add some Chinese mahua. It's made out of flour. It's twisted. It's crispy. You can eat as a snack. Here I'm using it like to add some carbs. So later I will not feel hungry really fast. Then we drop some garlic. And sesame sauce. Wow. Now it's ready to serve. Wow. And the mushrooms first. Ooh. And noodles in. Here we go. This is the amazing Chinese street food. Numb and spicy stew. Everybody loves it. If you do a survey for 10 Chinese people, most probably 9.9 Chinese people will love it. This is really famous, and we've got all different kind of versions, and you can find Chinese numb and spicy stew street food restaurant and a small stand outside. You will always find it in most of the cities, or maybe most of all of the cities. Wow, it's so tasty, yummy, flavorful, spicy, numb. Especially girls, we love it so much because inside we don't add too much carbs. It will not make you fat, and you enjoy the food, and it will make you full. Wow. Here we go. Thanks for watching, and if you like my today's video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me see you in my next video.